welcome to another toy hunt with T3 Collects. Currently at Target. I guess Target is getting the Marvel Masterpiece Extra Large, but I don't see any. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the toys. All right, what do we got here? We got Bluey. Nice early morning toy hunt. Smells like Superman. These are restocked apparently. Nice early morning smell of commerce. It's fantastic. Let's go see what they got. They still have Swoop. We're gonna see. Apparently this is hitting clearance. Not here. $54.99. Well, worth a shot. What do we got here? We have a Platinum Edition Brainiac. This honestly is probably the most Transformers I've ever seen at this Target, to be 100% honest. That's crazy to see a Brainiac chase. Same stuff. Wolverine still here. Plenty of Naga hides. Plenty of these. These will be on clearance. But pretty cool. No Darkseid, Lord Justice, and Batman Beyond. So it's actually been a minute since I've seen this Platinum Edition. It's pretty cool. Not for me. Let's go ahead and look over here. Sonic, no Sonic 3 action figures. As far as like mainline stuff, not really seeing anything. That Minecraft thing might be new. I don't know. Adopt Me might be new. All this Mr. B stuff is literally sitting. I wonder why. Ouija board. We got Iron Man and Spider-Man still. Skateboards. Turtles, are these new? I don't remember. Because I know they've done these. I just don't remember if these ones are the new ones. Soundwave. That cap one's pretty cool. Yep, nothing new. No AEW 1784 Black Series. Spike-Core still here. Casey Jones. Clawful. Tila and Casey Jones, and these are all in the wrong spot. So I'm going to be a nice person and move them for them. Yeah, these have been sold out here for, I want to say, two or 3 weeks. They may have been here last time, I just didn't notice them, but you can tell they just put them up because they were all unpunched at one point. And then we got Trapjaw. Put these where they're supposed to go so people aren't getting the wrong price. You know, it's just a retail side of me that can't stand stuff like this. Like this being here, that should not be planogrammed to be like that. That should be on here. But yeah, that is it. There is nothing, literally nothing new. These haulers. Still like to see the Optimus Prime. But it looks like we've got nothing new. They sold the Batmobiles, so that's good. Wasn't expecting that to happen. Okay, well, guess we're gonna go over to the collector's spot and see what they got there. A bunch of Hot Wheels. I feel like something said this is or one of the bikes is a treasure hunt. That is not. But anyway, let's go see what they got. Here's the NECA Funko section. It literally looks the exact same that it was the last few times I've been here. It's kind of funny. Yeah, there's really nothing. Oh, this is actually, no, I take that back. This is new. I take that back. This is new. Zarek, that's pretty cool. So they've made them all, I think, but Elkhorn? Not too sure. This is out of, I don't even know why that's here. Out of inventory. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna take a picture of that when I come back. I'm gonna go look over here. See if we got anything else NECA-wise that's new. We got Earl, we got Robocop, we have Predator. Yeah, the Sinja Patrol, we got that guy. We got this Foot Enforcer. And we got the Triceraton. I don't even know what his name is again. What is his name again? Triceraton Gladiator. Dude, I can't believe those praise are still here. It's been like, I don't know, 4 days. Ultimate Ghost Face. The Universal Monster TMNT collabs. I feel like those are probably gonna sit. We got the Connor Kent Platinum, normal, Manga Batman. Dang, yeah, you can tell Connor Kent is not the popular one. Oh well. Chucky. We got the Ben Cooper figures. But that looks like it. Yeah, that is it, guys. Sorry, not much of a hunt when there's not really much new at Target. Alright, well, that's going to wrap this up for this one. We'll see you guys at the next spot. Alright, let's be back to a place I haven't been to in a long time. Ross. Nova. A lot of anime heroes. We got here Rogue, Raphael, Michelangelo, Sonic. Look at all the pops are gone. A lot of statues. I don't know what that is. Frozen. It's kind of cool. It's been a long time since I've been here. I'm not gonna be finding much, it looks like. Nope. Yeah, there's nothing here. Wow. Nothing. I figured there'd been at least something. But I guess not. Okay. That's probably the reason why I haven't been visiting, because there hasn't been anything. But I'm gonna go up front because I know they've had pops up there. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah, it's Fortnite. So they do got new stuff, just Fortnite. Toad. But that is it. Okay. Let's go check out front. I'll take that back. So they have some Star Wars stuff. Retro carded Grief Karga, making a mess. But that looks like it. Okay, let's go see what they got up front, if they have anything. Alright, Pops, Wasp, Riddler, we got Mantis, Nihilus, Eugene. Yep. Mickey. Looks like it. Oh, what do we got here? The Obi-Wan and Darth Vader 2-pack. Megan Jack White. Dang, that's it. Cool. Alright, it's been a while. Let's go to GameStop. See if there's any new figures. Look at that. The new Marvel Classics. Pops are here. We've got Black Panther. We have Hulk, Spidey, Iron Man, Cap. All look great. Miles G. Morales. That looks good too. And then we got Art the Clown on the bike. 2 of those.
We have about PCs in there.
Oh man. Alright, well I'm not here for Pops. Let's go see what else they got. Look at that.
We sell PC parts, we don't buy.
Oh, okay. This place?
Yep.
Okay. And then,
Alright, what else we got? What else do we got? Same Star Wars. Yep, everything's the same. And then we got Sergeant Rock. We have the Riddler. Dan.
No problem.
Cap. Iron Man. Do I buy this? I don't know if I should buy this. I really don't need these. But I love Batman forever. This is marked down already. $13.98. Damn, looks like it.
That's 100% on me. I thought I put it on there and I realized it, so I set it back there. I'm like, I gotta go back there anyway when I go to the bag stuff. So
Alright, well,
it
that
should
might be
literally
it.
be in the box in the middle. Because it was like, ah, defective. Go!
All these. Avatar.
Buy it. Touch it. That's the rule. You gotta buy it now.
Nope. Alright. I didn't even realize that Lydia Dietz was here. And a ghost face. How did I miss this? Dang it. Ghost face. It's that season. Halloween time. Poltergeist 2. Dang it. That looks good. Okay, well, I think that's it. Damn it. I said I wasn't going to do it. Alright, I'm at Target now. Seeing if they had the new Marvel XL cards, but does not look like it. So let's go see what they got in the toy aisles. Oh, Swoop's gone. Turtle stuff. Dang, I can't believe it. This is still here. I returned that. Not much has changed. Wolverine. Spider-Man, Captain America. A couple of Sam Wilsons are still here. I've seen these are on clearance somewhere. I can't remember, someone posted that these were on clearance for like $3. Yeah, I don't think there's really that much new. Yeah, everything looks literally the same. Spawn Mega figures, $15. That's the Pose statue. Damn. Yeah, they don't have those. Wrestling. Oh, this is new. Hulk Hogan, greatest hits. Oh, I used to love Hulk Hogan. Not anymore. Dude is an idiot. And I know I'm going to get roasted in the comments for that, but I don't really care. That Randy Orton looks okay. That's pretty cool. And Rey Mysterio. That's cool looking. I like that suit. Huh, that's pretty cool. We got AJ Styles with the same pose, same face sculpt, new suit. Not bad, not bad. But Hogan. Is that it? 4 in this wave. Greatest hits. It's got the Eagle belt. We'll take a picture of that in a minute. See if there's anything else that's new. It doesn't look like it. The droids are still sitting here because nobody wants them. These are still here because they're ruined. And then all this, all the same. God. I'm waiting for this to go on clearance. So it might be a while. As far as Hot Wheels, looks like the same stuff as usual. Nothing new and exciting. Yeah, I'm not seeing really anything. Target's kind of been a bust. Looking for the Optimus to show up. Since I accidentally canceled mine on Entertainment Earth. By the way, link down in the description. We got the movie version. We got Ecto 1. Smoking the Bandit. The Mystery Machine, that's dope. See it with my big old hand in the way. That's cool. It's got Optimus underneath. We got Kit. Ecto 1, Spider-Man, Knight Rider, yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, looks like it. Ladies and gentlemen, this toy hunt has been kind of abysmal. I apologize, but I'm going to go to the collector spot here in a second after I take pictures of those wrestling figures. So I'll see you there in a second. Okay, let's see. No, oh, yeah, this is now on Peacock, which I'll be watching tonight. Daredevil, Green Goblin, Spawn. What the heck? What is this doing here? This is new? That's new. What the heck? That's odd. How many times do we need Boba Fett? Jesus. We got Popeyes. What do we got? What do we got? Buy 2 get 1 free. I don't see really anything. Looks like they cleared out a bunch. Renslayer. I know the 8-bits are $10 on sale. I don't really see anything I don't really care to buy. Nope. That's interesting. Okay, Let's see what we got over here. What do we got over here? Conjuring, Halloween Ends, another Brett Baker. Same old NECA stuff that we've been seeing. Mega Batman, Connor Kent, and a Sergeant Rock. I mean, if anything, I would buy this just for this effect. That is it. Everything else I could care less about. That Sergeant Rock's so cool. But that was it, guys. Kind of not a great toy hunt this week. But hey, now you guys seen what's out there. If you see anything that you saw in the toy hunt but don't want to go toy hunting, hit the link for Entertainment Earth. You guys can get 10% off in stock items, which is what I do. And yeah, save yourself some money, free shipping with $59 or more. And right now they have a sale going on. When you spend, I think it's $100, you get $10 off. $200, you get $25 off. So hit those links. Let's go check Lego. We got on here Space City, Creator, Technic GT, the Porsche 911. That camera's freaking sick. Is this only 20 bucks? It's not even that bad for $20. It's only 261 pieces, which kind of is expensive. But it is Lego. Lego's always expensive. Oh, Polaroid. Dang. Oh, they have the cat. The Gato bicolor cat. That's awesome. I should get that for my son for Christmas because he's wanted a cat. He wants a cat. But I'm allergic to cats, so Chucky, no cats in the house. What else they got? The crafting table.
Like that.
The piranha.
Out of all the Harry Potter things I see, I can't seem to see.
But that's a risk.
Dancing Groot. 45 bucks. Jesus. That's pretty cool.
This is like different parts of it.
This is 27. 27 on sale. $7 off. That's cool. Alright guys, what's going on? It's TP Collects here, and I got a couple of packages in the mail. One's from RG, one's from The Man Collects, and I got a couple other little things, so I'm going to go over those first. First off, Figure Fevers, thank you for sending this out to build a figure piece for Amadeus Chow that I need to build Amadeus Chow, so I got that, so thank you Greg for that. And then this came from, I believe, David Thanos. I think that's correct. But he sent me the Chase Crow Thunderbird. So I have now the green wheeled version and I believe the red version. There's a blue version. That's the only one I don't have. So now I have that. That almost completes that. And then I got a couple things in the mail, which one is from Hasbro. This is the Cobra Stinger, and I actually don't want it, and Amazon would not let me return it because of my form of payment, which I don't have anymore. So if you guys are interested in this, let me know. I'm selling it to whoever wants it for what I paid for it, which was like $109 after tax. So if it's something you want, let me know. I don't want it. But let's get into these boxes. I know what's in this box. So Art and I did a trade. If you guys remember a while back, I found the Chase Bunny. It's been a while. Something I knew Art wanted. I don't collect AEW. I know he collects the Chases, so we did a little trade ski, and that's what's in this box. Let me adjust this. All right. So, in this box, I'm pretty sure one item in here is for me, and the other ones are for my son to finish, finish building a Marvel Legend Build-A-Figure. So, very well done, Art. Well packaged. Let's open this bag. Man. Alright, let's get the knife out. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, so he's able to find my son, Agent Jimmy Woo, so he can build his Khonshu. I think he is now down to Red Skull and He Who Remains. Those are the only two he needs left. And Scarlet Witch, Zombie Scarlet Witch. So $4.99. This was at the half off store where Art goes. So $4.99. Ollie's $9.99. So those are going to my son. And this is something I wanted and I missed out on when it went to clearance. And that would be the G.I. Joe Classified Mutt and Junkyard. I'm pretty sure Art got this for like $13. So thank you, Art. I appreciate it for helping me out. Yeah, I'm excited to open that up and put it. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'm going to have it somewhere. All right, so this box is from Chris from The Man Collects, and I'm going to leave both their YouTube channels in the description down below. And there goes a pile of figures. Whew, it's hot. I do not know what Chris sent me. We have been buying things for each other left and right, and I finally was able to send out his box of stuff. So I don't know what is in this box, but I'm about to find out. And this has been like over several months. Alright, so, oh yeah, he got me this little miniature Venom, and then Spider-Man, which I have Spider-Man 2099. So those are there. We've got, oh yeah, Jay Morant, Joe Embiid, or Embiid. Sweet. This is for my son. So Top Gun Transformers. What else we got in here? We have, oh, Tobey Maguire. That one will come off card. We've got, oh, the Grand Plymouth, which I already have, which I'm going to open that up. And then the last one I actually needed, Jason Tatum. So now I have all the basketball guys. That's a complete set now. And here's another Grand Plymouth. I'm assuming that he sent these as gifts, yeah. And then these are for my son. Oh wow, I didn't even know that you found this. Nissan Skyline Godzilla. That's awesome. And then the Porsche 911. Yeah, so happy day for me and my son. And then Nightwing, Vampire Nightwing. Sweet. Oh, that's awesome. So yeah, give those guys a follow. If you guys don't know who they are, The Man Collects, RG. Like I said, I'll leave their channel links and Instagram links down in the description. Go give them a follow if you haven't. And thank you, Chris. Thank you, Art, for the stuff of stuff. This is crazy. I got things I can open, things my son's going to be excited about. Super excited about this. Man, this is awesome. Alright guys, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.